Hello and welcome. Let me give you a quick update on what's going on with the Corolla. Don't worry, there isn't anything major wrong with the car. I'm just cleaning it up to make sure that everything looks good for an upcoming AE86 meet that I'm going to be taking this car to. But I am going to be investigating a little bit of a clunking noise I'm getting down here when I'm getting on and off the throttle. Overall, the Corolla is doing great, but the exciting stuff is on the other side of the garage door. Here is a little Corolla FX-GT I got from Japan, and here is the full-size 1:1 scale Corolla FX-GT. It's a 1985 AE82, and it came all the way over from Osaka thanks to Masakazu. I'll cover the import process in a future video, but for this one, I just wanted to give you a quick intro on the Corolla FX-GT. The fun thing I'm sure you'll notice is that it's right-hand drive, because of course they drive on the right-hand side in Japan. And the cool thing about this car is that it is pretty much 100% complete. Body kit is on there, all the accessories, the interior is all complete. It has the original steering wheel. It is awesome. It even has the original flare that came with the car, because in Japan you have to have a flare in the car. There were some nice things added, such as these Willens harness, and check out these awesome TE37s wrapped in Advan Neova rubber. They are great, and I think it really fits the style of the car. The white on white looks awesome in my opinion. So let's take a quick peek under the hood. Under the hood, we're gonna find a 4AGE 16 valve. There's no air meter on the intake because it uses a map system, which is pretty cool that the US one did not get that. But overall, it's very similar to what my FX16 originally came with. Anyways, enough with that. Let's just take the car for a quick drive so you can see what it's like. Now I know what you're thinking, how hard is it to drive a right-hand drive car? Well, I'll tell you, it's actually not that hard at all. It took me probably like about a day or so to get used to it. Shift pattern is still the same, you're just obviously using your left hand to do it. The only real difference is that the blinker and the wiper are swapped, and of course you're sitting on the right hand side, but everything else is the same, so it really doesn't take very long to get used to. But anyways, I'll stop talking so you guys can hear the car. And there you have the Japanese Corolla FX-GT, the brother to the US FX16. Hopefully you guys like it as much as I do. I know it's been an absolute mind-blowing experience to drive around. I have lots of plans for it, but until then, subscribe, like, do that other stuff, and a big thank you to Masakazu. Arigatou gozaimashita. See you next time.